When you hurt someone deeply, a simple sorry is never enough. Healing requires more than words. It requires action, honesty, and heart. An apology without change is just manipulation. If you hurt someone deeply, don't rush to say sorry. First, understand the pain you caused. People don't want to hear your excuses. They want to see your efforts. Apologies heal, but consistent actions rebuild trust. When you hurt someone, silence won't fix it. Courage will. The best apologies changed behavior. Saying I'm sorry is step 1. Showing you're sorry is step 2. True forgiveness begins when you take responsibility without blaming circumstances. When someone is hurt, they don't need your words, they need your patience. If you broke their trust, rebuild it slowly, brick by brick. Don't expect them to forgive you quickly. Healing takes time. People forgive when they feel understood, not when they feel ignored. The deepest wounds heal when you show up differently. Your apology is not about you, it's about their pain. Healing requires listening more than talking. Don't say he didn't mean it. Say till make sure it never happened again. If you truly care, prove it with your consistency. Sometimes the person you hurt only needs to see that you value their feelings. Stop defending yourself. Start mending yourself. You can't erase the past, but you can shape the future. A real apology doesn't come with expectations. It comes with humility. Never force forgiveness. Earn it with respect. LF. They are still silent. Give them space. Love isn't rushed. Remember, every hurt teaches you to love more carefully. In the end, the strongest apology is living in a way that proves you've changed. Never underestimate the power of a sincere apology, not through words alone, but through actions. Because in the end, love is not proven by what you say, but by how you change. An apology is not about winning them back. It's about taking ownership of the pain you caused. Heal the wound. Don't just cover it up.